Greetings to everyone. First of all, like I always said, I like to thank all our patrons who supported the channel. I would like to thank all of you guys who were with us throughout the years. And also, I welcome all new patrons who wanted to join and support us on our passion. As an appreciation, there are more quality add-ons coming up. If you have queries or questions regarding ProjectArcade or Emulation as a whole, please visit us on the Discord channel, the links will be available in the descriptions below. And also, if you're not subscribed yet, now is a great time to do it. Done. Perfect. Today I'm going to show you how you can add or remove existing systems on ProjectArcade. I would like to thank the patrons who requested this, and I apologize that it took so long to have the chance to make one. This tutorial is for all who need it. I know it's a little bit different from another similar frontend like Coinops, but as long as RetroFE is concerned, it all fall under almost the same standards, just different method or theme. Once you get the hang of it, it's quite easy. Let's get started. First, let's get familiar on the elements on the main menu screen. Let's boot first the front end. Defaultly you will booted to the main screen after the intro video. On the left side of the screen, you will find the playlist menu that scrolls vertically up and down. And on the bottom is the main menu selections that scroll horizontally left or right. The bottom horizontal selection will also display all items to a specific playlist menu once selected. I also include a category sub-menu within the main selections menu, but we will get back to that later. As an example, I installed ProjectArcade at drive letter D. This will be also our working directory for all add-ons. But you can always choose an external or a different locations for your games and media files. We recommend that you install ProjectArcade to the root of any drive, except your system's drive, which is drive letter C. And also, you may want to allow the ProjectArcade folder to your firewall or security or similar app. The main ProjectArcade executable is always detected as a malware or a virus by Windows standards. Do not worry, we assure you that it's only false positive, it's only a batch command line that calls the RetroFE app to boot the frontend. In this example, the menu.txt file holds the list of all systems and categories for ProjectArcade. Any changes in this list will affect also the list on every playlist, which you can see on all icons playlist on the left side of the screen. You can remove or add existing systems that are already included in the default listings. Under the playlist folder, there are 9 text files representing the system playlist of every 9 icons playlist on the main menu. Also, the menu.txt and the all.txt files are the list of all 6 playlists combined. If you notice the all of file names begins with a number, this is for making the list the way you want it to be arranged, in this case numerical order. Let's open the one all arcades.txt with Notepad or similar text editor app. You will see the list of systems under the category Arcade Systems. Here, you can edit, add and remove systems that you want and do not want to be included in the menus. For example, if you're going to add or remove existing systems on the list, you must make changes on both menu.txt, the all.txt, and also the playlist text file, that the systems it belong to. In the example, it's the one arcades.txt. So if you remove a system, for example ArcadeChd, you must remove it on all three text files, namely menu.txt, the all.txt, and one arcades.txt. The same thing, if you want to add a ArcadeChd system back, you must add it on all three text files, namely menu.txt, the all.txt, and one arcades.txt. Earlier we mentioned that we also add a category menus for the 5 systems, namely all arcades, all collections, all computers, all consoles, and all handhelds, that is located in the collections folder. This is also similar to the playlist menus earlier, namely 1 all arcades, 2 all consoles, 3 all handhelds, 4 all computers, and 6 all collection, that is located in the collections/main folder. The difference is that the category menus has its own independent theme menus, from horizontal to vertical scrolling and with a slight different presentations.
Consoles. Handhelds. Computers. Collection.
So in this scenario, if you remove or add ArcadeChd, you must also remove or add it on the menu.txt of its category folder it belonged to, namely category folder all arcades. So in totality, you must make changes on menu.txt at the main folder, the menu.txt at the category folder, the all.txt in the main /playlist folder, and the one arcades.txt in the main /playlist folder. By the way, you can enable and disable the category menus in the Settings interface menu. Please check the Settings menu for more customizations. I hope that this tutorial helped you understand how to do things on ProjectArcade. Next, we'll show you how to populate empty systems on ProjectArcade using your own media files and games. Don't forget to leave a like if you liked the video and also subscribe to catch the next video tutorials and more. Have a great day.